Happy Vlogmas Day 5! So I just got off of work and I am heading off to Dollar General right now because I am tired of my tree being bare. Get some ornaments and some ribbon, just whatever I can find at the Dollar Tree. So that, ugh, got like a weird bug outside my window. Ugh, that just freaked me out. I will try my best to film while in there, but you guys know me, I don't do well with like filming in public. So I'm gonna try my best, but I for sure will show you what I bought. Merry Christmas. This little guy rode the entire way here. Like he was just holding on for dear life. Oh, it's so creepy. I don't want to get out. It's so big. Oh my goodness. What the heck is that? Oh my goodness. I don't like bugs. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like low-key very scared right now. I do not want this bug to jump on me. Okay. You stayed there, you little demon. Alright, back in the car. 80 something dollars later. It was 80 something dollars, which that part's not fine, but I got a lot of stuff. I got some Christmas gifts, which was great, and then I just got some cute little decorative pieces for my house. And as far as like there was no Christmas wreaths, so that was a little bit of a bummer. And then there was like hardly any Christmas stuff. So I mainly got stuff that I kind of like needed, like tape for Christmas presents and like I said, necessities. So it all worked out in the end, but it was definitely like a bust. It wasn't near like what I thought it was gonna be. Like I thought I was gonna like hit the jackpot, but I really didn't. So, oh well, I mean, it is what it is. Okay, just made it home. And like I said, I did a lot of damage. Should I do the haul in here? This is like great lighting. I'll do it inside. Gotta carry this. Look at this. I got a cute little Christmas box for Christmas presents.
Okay, I got it.
People fall out of love, some never find it. Some say it's right, but just not the right time. I think I got you guys set up. I think that's okay-ish straight onto my Dollar General haul. But first I got this cute little Christmas box. We do this thing where we do Secret Santa, but it's for only us sisters. So my secret sister loves like oldie time trucks like this. So I thought that this was like the perfect little gift for her, and then I'll just put all of her little goodies in here. Toilet paper, you know, some necessities. I bought a Christmas gift, which I'm not gonna show y'all, but it is for my secret sister. So I bought some apple cinnamon candles. Whoa, it smells just like Christmas. I've got some tape for Christmas presents for my tree. So I found some little tiny gold ornaments. I do have a lot of these already, but I figured why not just get a little bit more, like kind of deck it out. I wanted to get some bigger ones, but they didn't have any. Also got some decorative ribbon. This is just gray. I didn't want gray, I wanted gold, but what are you gonna do? I mean, they really did not have a huge selection, which I was a little disappointed in, but oh well. Next, I got some, what do you call these? Icicles. Just a lot of little icicle ornaments, which I thought was so cute. Ornament, hanging, thingamabobbers, whatever you call it. Then this was so cute. This was just $1, and it went with my aesthetic. So I'm gonna find a spot to put this. This is just so cute. It says joy. I got these cute little pine cone ornaments, and I got like 5 boxes of it, and they're like flocked, not flocked, they're like have a little bit of snow on them, if you can see, like that little bit of white on there. So it's like frosted, and it's so cute. So happy that I found these because my tree doesn't have any pine cones, and you guys know I love decorating with pine cones. So with another one of my gifts, I am going to fill this up with candy, and then I'm going to add some fun stuff in here. So I thought this would be cute, and with this, I bought some styrofoam, and what I'm gonna do is put the styrofoam in here, then I'm gonna use sticks, so it's gonna become like a bouquet of like different things. And I'm being very vague right now because I don't want anyone, if anyone is like watching this, I don't wanna like spoil the surprise, but basically this is a little Christmas project. I also got this Christmas candle. I didn't like the colors, like I have no red in my house, but this one was scented vanilla chai, snickerdoodle donut, and apple cinnamon. That's what those 3 layers are. But whenever you smell it, it's like all of it mixed together, and it just smells so good. It smells very Christmassy. So I'm gonna like put this somewhere where it like hides it, like probably in my little dish over there. I don't want to break it. I found this cute little tray. Isn't that so cute? And I figured that I could put stuff in it, like a candle or something. And I love that it's marble because it kind of goes with my aesthetic as well. But I figured I could put that on my little coffee table right there. Just kind of, whoop, just kind of do something with it. Don't fall. So I'm gonna like do some type of decorative piece in here. I am so excited about it. I cannot wait to have fun with it. And then I got this big basket thing, which this actually I'm gonna put under my tree. I'm really hoping that it fits because I don't have like a tree collar, but I saw someone like use just a regular bucket, and I was like, you know what, that's smart because afterwards I can just put blankets or something in here, and it goes with my aesthetic as well. But that's just, oh, I'm so happy that I got this. The last thing I got, we are going to Colorado come the new year, and it's gonna be snowing and stuff, so I need to get me some snow gear. So I got me some black, got him. I got me some black gloves, so that's always a need. And then I got this cute hat with this little pom-pom on top, but then it's also reversible, so there's like another little pom-pom on here. Probably not going to use this one, but I just thought that this was so cute, and it was only like $5. And that's the thing, everything that I bought was like super cheap. It's like the most expensive thing was probably this basket, which was $16, but everything else was like under 10, and a lot of the things were only $1. So I'm just like, heck yes. That is my Dollar General haul. Now I just have to put all this stuff away. Oh, did I turn off that light? Oops. There we go. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Vlogmas day 5. Day 5. Oh, not center. Oh, there we go. Day 5. I know, I'm silly. Okay, now let's see how this is gonna look. Oh, sweet, I think it's gonna fit like perfectly. All right, excuse me, buddy. Oh, up, and okay, going down. Oh, okay, it doesn't quite fit. Whoop. Okay, so I need like a little bucket or something to go underneath this. Okay, so you guys remember this? This went to like my pot that was like in this corner over here by my mirror and stuff, and I've been having it over there. So I'm thinking if I put this in here, that'll make it be tall enough. This is actually gonna make my tree a little taller, which I'm very excited about. Okay. Whoa, Nelly. Okay. This is like perfect, like it fits, and it's to that spot, but I need to like do something so that it'll stay. This is not as easy as I thought that it was gonna be. This would have been so much easier if I did this like beforehand. Well, live and you learn. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm obsessed with this. Oh my goodness, look how cute. And it made the tree a little bit taller, which I love. I might have to like fluff out this bottom part a little bit better, but y'all, this looks so good. I will say that it's still a little bit floppy, so I have to be very careful. Like if my cat like bumps into it, definitely can knock it over. So I need to figure out what I need to do to make it steady. Very like, ugh. Very tipsy, but I mean, you can also sit it back up, which is good. So hopefully my cat won't get any ideas, jump on it, but luckily I don't have like any breakables ornaments that I might be putting on here. And then we will, don't you fall. I am so impressed. All right, time to decorate. So I heard that there was like a certain way to put on ribbon, and I have this from last year. It's just like a sheer silver kind of one, and I think that would look really cute. So I'm not gonna open up the gray one just yet. I'm gonna wait, but I'm gonna see if I can get this to look voluminous. So they started off up here, like bubbled it, pinched it. Okay, that actually came out cute. All right, so bubble pinch, go around. Okay, so it's just kind of like that kind of motion. So let me see what I can do with that. Okay, that came out looking so good. I don't know if you guys can like, there we go, that's like a better view. So I just basically went like in and out with the ribbon all over the tree, and it just came out looking so good, and it looks like more full. I love the way that it looks. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. Just looks so good. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with the way that this looks. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now it is time to add the little bitty pine cones on there. I haven't decided yet if I wanted to add like little ornaments yet, or just the pine cones and the little icicles. So let's do that first, and then I'll decide if I want to add a few more little ornaments in there. Oh, it's coming out looking so good. I love the way that this looks. I don't think it needs like anything else. I really like the kind of bare look with the just pine cones and icicles and the ribbon. So I really think that this is probably it. I don't think I'm gonna add any like other ornaments, but could maybe add them on my wreath. So these are the ornaments that I have. And I would just use probably the gold and silver ones, but could maybe help pull, like, you know, the gold, you know, just kind of, does that make it look tacky? You know, that makes it look tacky. All right, we're not gonna do that. I do think that I'm gonna put this maybe like in a bowl or something. Okay, so I saw this TikTok on how to clean a candle. I'm trying to remember what they did. I think it was ice water. Water in here with some ice. I accidentally left my Coke in the freezer. Oh, I'm so excited to drink this later. All right, once it like thaws out, you know. Ice water. So I think what you have to do is you have to freeze the candle, and then you're gonna like scoop it out. So let's just leave it like this for a second and we will get back to that because that's what I'm gonna put my ornaments in. I'm just realizing I did not light up any of my Christmas stuff. A little Christmas tree. Y'all, I'm so obsessed with the way that my tree looks. I'm so happy. See how this candle thing is turning out. So it's been sitting for a while in ice water. Let's dump it out. Let's see. Guess I'll use a fork. Okay, so let's see. What? It's supposed to just pop out. Maybe I didn't leave it long enough. Oop. Maybe. All right, so my camera decided to die on me, but like that is not working. I think I just didn't leave it long enough. So the thing is, you just have to put it in ice water, freeze it, and then the bottom, like the candle part should just pop right out. And then you just clean the glass and then voila, you got yourself a cute little jar to do whatever you want with. Or you can like put another candle in there or whatever have you. So I guess that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me decorating my Christmas tree finally. I'm obsessed with it. Leave a comment down below what you guys think. So yeah, if you are not subscribed to me, don't forget to subscribe so you can join our little YouTube community. And I really hope that y'all are having a very Merry Christmas. I love each and every one of y'all, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.